Here I have a 19-volt adapter from my old laptop. I am going to rebuild this adapter and make from it 12-volt adapter for decorating lights, which I am going to build for my workshop. I want to enliven my workshop a little bit, so this project should do the small improvement and make my shop look better. Plus I'll be making one extra light because I need more light when I shoot videos. Here is the laptop adapter which I've taken out of its case. I'm going to step down the voltage to 12 volts with this DC-DC converter. I had laying around this case which came from some crappy adapter. From this I'm going to make the housing for my adapter. This plastic case I consider to be much safer than the case that I usually make from the MDF. So for this project I am not going to make a case from MDF. The first thing which I realized after trying to put the boards inside the new case was that I don't have enough place there. But I was able to reduce the height of the DC-DC converter. I also needed to pull away the rotary trimming resistor. I decided to change the output filtering capacitor to 1000 microfarad, so this capacitor had to be also away from the converter because of its large size. After these corrections I was able to fit the DC-DC converter and the adapter together inside the case. I used the solid core wire as a lead from the adapter to the converter, and like this the two boards were held together. Onto the 12 volts output I soldered 2 amps fuse. From a piece of plastic I made this spacer which will be the insulation between the boards. Now came the time to make the piece which covers the big opening in the case. I found an ideal 10 amps switch in my stock. Heat sinks are a very good source of aluminium which can be reused for different things. From this heatsink, which probably came from some broken TV, I am making the case for the on-off switch for my adapter. I was able to bend the two sides of the future case in my small vise. And the other two sides I was able to bend with my pliers. The hardest part of this project was to make a holder for the switch inside the case. I decided to solder the switch on this template which I made, but it was very difficult to make the switch aligned. Anyway, whole case will be later connected to ground. This project has been bought because I have excess of home supplies and I want to spend them somehow. This is just a good opportunity to show you the way how I build super cheap things in my workshop which serves the purpose. I always try to do most for the safety as I can, but don't think that I fully trust to these homemade things. The adapter is going to be placed under the table in my workshop in this area. The two screws will be holding the case of the adapter from inside. Whole adapter sits inside the cover and is hooked into the bottom piece. And there is just enough when the other side of the adapter is screwed from the top side with two screws. Now I need to connect the switch. I am mounting the switch onto the wall of my workshop. The 12 volts output is then brought onto the door of the wardrobe/workshop. The cables I secure with the insulating tubes and screws. Here I am connecting it into the mains. The installation in my workshop is the old 2-wire TNC system, so don't be confused. I made the decorating lights from LEDs and resistor in series, and these will be connected in parallel to 12 volts output. I used LEDs which I had in my stock, but the special colors which I wanted I needed to make from RGB LEDs. From this piece of clear plastic I am going to make the holders for the decorating lights. I bought a few meters of thin twin lead wire and the LEDs will just be soldered onto the wires. So this is gonna be my new decoration. I hope you enjoyed this project. You will see more in part 2.